In this tutorial I will show you how to make this AI trending images for free. Open your browser and search for Bing AI image. Click on this one. Then click on Join and Create. You need to log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have, you can create one. Click on Next and log into your account. These are the templates, you also can use them. Or simply type prompt here to generate your specific image. I want to type a kid with big eyes wearing yellow and black hoodie in a street. Lights in the background. Click on Create. Click on Image to preview. If you like it, you can download from here. Let me know in comments if you want more tutorials like this.